Idiom, rain or shine, meaning regardless of the weather conditions, usage in sentence. The event will take place, rain or shine. Idiom, see eye to eye, meaning agree or have the same opinion as someone else. Usage in sentence. They rarely see eye to eye on political matters. Idiom, taste of victory, meaning the feeling of success or accomplishment. Usage in sentence. After months of training, she finally had a taste of victory. Idiom, year in, year out, meaning happening consistently or repeatedly every year. Usage in sentence. They have been celebrating the festival year in, year out. Idiom, 0 hour, meaning the exact time when an event is scheduled to begin. Usage in sentence. We need to be at the venue by 0 hour for the concert. Idiom, on thin ice, meaning in a risky or precarious situation. Usage in sentence. He's on thin ice with his boss after making that mistake. Idiom, in hot water, meaning in trouble or facing difficulties. Usage in sentence. He's in hot water after missing the deadline. Idiom, X factor, meaning a special quality or factor that sets someone or something apart. Usage in sentence. Her confidence and charisma are her X factor. Idiom, play it by ear, meaning decide or act spontaneously based on the situation. Usage in sentence. We don't have a specific plan. Let's just play it by ear. Idiom, quick as a flash, meaning very fast or quickly. Usage in sentence. He responded quick as a flash when the alarm went off.
Please subscribe, like, and share. I learn and grow.